What are punitive damages?
Punitive damages, unlike other damages such as compensatory damages meant to compensate somebody for the losses, punitive damages deal with damages caused by a person or a corporation because their conduct was grossly negligent or so outrageous that they should be punished for what they did or what they didn't do. In other words, if a company fails to disclose that their product will cause a certain harm and they knew about it, that company could be subject to punitive damages. If a bar keeps serving people when they're visibly intoxicated, that bar could be subject to punitive damages, as well as the driver that was intoxicated. There are certain circumstances that are so shocking to the conscience of a person that they can ask for punitive damages from a defendant. Punitive damages are damages meant to punish a defendant because of their conduct. That conduct could have been intentional conduct, or could have been conduct that was grossly negligent. Give an example: driving drunk. That could trigger punitive damages. A company that puts a product on the market where they knew the product could harm somebody, that could trigger punitive damages. They're called exemplary damages or punishment damages.